Sneezing is a reflex action that occurs in response to irritation or stimulation of the nasal passages. It is a protective mechanism of the respiratory system that helps expel irritants or foreign particles from the nose. The number of times a person sneezes in a row can vary from individual to individual. While some people may sneeze only once, others may sneeze 2 or 3 times consecutively. The exact reason for multiple sneezes is not completely understood, but there are a few theories that attempt to explain this phenomenon. Irritation and stimulation. Sneezing is triggered by the irritation of nerve endings in the nasal passages. It is believed that when the initial irritation occurs, the body's response may be to continue the sneezing reflex until the irritant is completely cleared. Multiple sneezes could help ensure that the irritant is expelled more effectively. Reinforcement reflex. Sneezing is considered a reflexive response, and reflexes often exhibit a reinforcing pattern. When the initial sneeze occurs, it can stimulate additional sensory nerves in the nasal passages, causing a chain reaction of sneezes. This reinforcement reflex may explain why some people sneeze multiple times in succession. Nerve hypersensitivity. Some individuals may have a heightened sensitivity of the nerves in their nasal passages. This hypersensitivity can lead to a more pronounced sneezing response, resulting in multiple sneezes. It's important to note that the number of sneezes can vary depending on various factors, including the individual's overall health, the specific irritant or allergen present, and the sensitivity of their nasal passages. Sneezing is generally a normal and healthy response, but if you experience persistent or severe sneezing, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional, as it could be a sign of an underlying issue or allergy.